Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You will start by confirming basic prerequisites and opening the settings. Make sure your device has a stable connection and airplane mode is off. Next, go to Network or Wi-Fi settings and tap your active network to access advanced options. Once there, locate Private DNS or DNS settings. You need either a DNS hostname or custom IP addresses ready. This first step prevents missteps later and ensures you can apply changes without losing connectivity during the process. Now you configure the private DNS entry, and I'll explain exactly how and why it matters. You choose private DNS provider hostname for encrypted DNS or enter custom DNS IPs for unencrypted lookups. Encrypted hostnames force TLS, which prevents interception. Type the hostname carefully. Extra spaces or uppercase letters can cause failures. Once done, save and toggle the connection or restart Wi-Fi so the system rebinds DNS. This rebind, finish by verifying the configuration, and I'll give a quick troubleshooting tip. Open a browser and visit a site you know, then run a DNS leak test or ping a domain to confirm the resolver changed. You should see the hostname or new IP. If it still won't connect, clear the DNS cache, reboot the device, and retry, because caches often hold old settings. If problems persist, switch back to automatic DNS or try a different provider to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.